All right, hi everybody. This is Verna here at Energy Yoga Studio, and today I am here with Rikki Donovan. Hello, Rikki.
Hi guys.
So today I just want to ask Rikki a few questions. She has a workshop coming up, the Doshas workshop, and I just wanted to introduce you, if you're not familiar with the Doshas, what Doshas are, the benefits of attending this workshop. That's coming up. So, all right, Rikki. So just want to ask you, let's say someone has never heard of dosha before. How would you explain doshas to them?
Okay, so in our Vedic medicine, we are constituted, our body has three constitutions. So it's kapha, pitta, and vata. Now, when they're all aligned and they're all even balanced across the board, that's when we'll be more focused, we're very healthy, we're energized. When they become unbalanced, this is when we start to lose our focus. Sometimes illness does come into play. We can actually gain weight. So there's different, just different things in terms of different doshas. Okay.
All right. So Rikki, how do we know if we are, the vata, pitta, or kapha?
Well, there is a link on our website, so you'll take an online quiz, and it'll ask you some personal questions, like things that you're craving food-wise, your body type, like, for me, I constitute as a pitta and kapha, and so my hair is curly. I have more of a rounder face. So it'll ask you some questions like that that'll go kind of in detail. And we don't have to share that at the workshop. That's personal for you. But it'll ask you these questions. And then at the very end, it'll kind of give you a rundown of normally we will constitute with one or two. Never really across the board. I have never, in my personal life, I've never seen anybody completely balanced off all three doshas. So it's just kind of important to take this quiz and kind of know where you're at.
And so once I find out through the website, I take the dosha quiz, and then I find out which dosha I am. Then during this workshop, what exactly during the workshop are you going to be sharing with us that's going to help me bring that balance back to my dosha?
Sure. So with this workshop, we're going to figure out diet, what foods you should stay away from. Like, for example, I am a pitta, so I need to stay away from spicy foods and fermented, which is unfortunately something that I do really like, but I also know it's something that is really not good for me to be eating or consuming. We'll also go over different exercises, things that you should normally do on a daily, and things that you should be staying away from. And then also too, the different yoga poses that each, dosha should be doing. So that's kind of like at the end, we'll go over like a whole nice yoga sequence to really balance each dosha within the body.
Okay, so during the workshop then, it's a 2-hour workshop, right? And then so
Yes.
is it going to be the first hour we're going to be talking about the doshas, the imbalance, and then how to bring that balance, and then are we going to do a full hour of yoga after, or how long is going to be the part where we actually do the poses?
An hour, maybe 45 to an hour. Yeah, like probably an hour to 45 minutes of lecture, just going in detail of each of the doshas. And then towards the end, probably an hour to hour and 15 minutes, depending on how long our lecture lasts. I would like to do at least an hour of yoga and have a nice shavasana at the end. So you feel balanced and refreshed walking out.
Okay, so then basically from what I understood is just like we're really trying to find ways of bringing them balance, and sometimes maybe out of balance we do not know why. So then maybe attending the workshop you're going to start to see, oh, maybe this imbalance, and sometimes we take things so personally, but maybe it's just because your dosha is imbalanced, and then we start bringing that balance back into our body and mind that way. Exactly. So our Doshas workshop is scheduled for October the 12th. This is this coming Saturday, right here at Energia Yoga Studio. The session's going to start at 3 and going to end at 5. So as Rikki mentioned, we're going to start at 3 with the lecture and for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then we're going to move into during the yoga practice, where you're really going to learn how to balance your dosha through yoga, right? So this is open to everyone. It's not just open for our members. So if you are, if you're not a Energia member, you can still sign up. Just go ahead and click on the link that we have it on this video, and you're welcome to sign up for the workshop. So if you are, if you're just, you know, on our email list somehow, if you're seeing this on social media, on Facebook and Instagram, everybody is welcome to come in. And we do have an amazing special. It is $35, but if you do sign up by Wednesday, we're gonna give you $5 off. That's $30 only for this really life-changing workshop presented by Rikki Donovan. All right, so thank you so much, Rikki, for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for all your wisdom and knowledge. I mean, we can't wait to see everyone Saturday, October 12, between 3 to 5. So feel free to go ahead and click on the link and book and reserve your space right away so that you can get that nice special discount. All right. Thank you so much, Rikki.
Yeah,
Have a wonderful day. Namaste.
Namaste.